Hey Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Happy Thursday! How are you? I hope you're doing really well. So, all this week we have been water marbling paper, and it's all Christmas themed. I hope you're enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Hope you do not need a relaxing moment in your day, but if you do, I hope that you're watching these videos for that. Alright? I really like water marbling, and the fact that it kind of makes you go, right? Do you feel the same? I don't know. That's how I feel. All right, so let's look at what we've got as inspiration today. Here we go. We are cozy. We've got a nice fireside picture going on here today. We're going to have a lot of white. All right, doing a lot of white. Got some evergreen color in here. Got a little bit more of a minty green to go with that. And then a little bit of gold. Gold for accents, gold for the little lights in the foreground, and for the fire in the background. All right, so this is what we're working on today. I hope you like it. Keep watching. All right, here we go. All right, Dewdrops, so we are going to start with our white here today. We're going to do a line straight down the center of the tray. It's going to push anything out of the way that we don't want it to sit there. And then I think we shall come in with our deep evergreen. I think it's going to be a nice contrast to that really bright white. Are you guys feeling cozy at home? Hope you're feeling cozy. I love to be cozy. In fact, I'm cold just about all of the time. My husband thinks it's very funny. I do not think it's funny. I find it very annoying. All right, let's put our yellow in the middle here, and then we'll drop some more color over top of it, I think, to keep it from being too dramatic. Because we just want a hint of it, really. Very nice. How about we come in with some green? Just had a very odd deja vu feeling. Did you ever do that? I must have dreamt something about being cozy by fire last night or something. All right, Dewdrops. So we've got some green. It's looking good. I think we've got enough paint on our tray. I'm going to let it finish moving around here. And we're going to start moving our paint around with our tools. All right, here we go. Gonna put a tool in the water and drag it through nice and slow. Hear that scrape on the tray. All right, how about we come back in with our fine tooth comb? We've been playing around with this comb more and more. It's an interesting comb. I think you can get some really good patterns by playing around with our wide tooth comb. And go nice and slow. Very nice, very nice. And then how about we come in here with our stylus and we move it around one more time. Going to take a little bit of time, so just sit back and relax and watch the paint flow. Do you have all your shopping done, Dewdrops? I hope you do. Hope you're not stressed. Hope the e-learning is not getting to all you mamas out there. We are e-learning. It's fine. The kids are actually getting the hang of it now, so it's kind of nice. All right, there we go. Guys, I'm really liking it. Let's dip down some paper and see what we end up with. All right, we're going to put down a white sheet of paper. Here we go. Wow, what do you think? See how that yellow just kind of shows up in the background? Kind of like our fire. I see the white and the Christmassy colors. Ooh, dewdrops. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's put it to the side. Oh, I can't wait to see this one dry. All right, so what happens? What happens now is we let it dry, and then I post a comparison picture of what it looks like. All right, so here's that picture. Do you like it? Does it look like our picture? Oh, I hope it looks like our picture, and I hope you like it, because right now I'm really digging that. And I hope that you are sitting at home and you are feeling nice and cozy, and I hope that you are not stressed. I hope that you're having a good day. All right, so let's say that you have been watching me for a while, and you're kind of interested in learning how to water marble. I'm kind of interested in teaching you. I am working on something that could be very exciting. So if you're interested in water marbling or you want to chat or something like that, you can go to CoraVina.com and look for my blog. All right, I'll post it in the comments as soon as that is available. But I'll be dropping little water marbling tidbits to help you learn and grow as a marbler. Okay, so go to CoraVina.com and purchase gifts if you have not already. They are very beautiful scarves. I hope that you're having a great day, dewdrops, and I hope that you come back tomorrow for one more water marbling video. All right, remember, live colorfully. Goodbye.